Like right now, things are trending towards sustainability, affordability, and just, energy efficiency. So, like we had a great podcast with Wally Gabriel from Granny Flat Solutions, and he's saying that there's been an uptake in requests of people wanting solar panels on their homes. People want insulative products in their homes. So even though it front loads a lot of their costs, they know that long term, having that energy efficiency metric there, it's going to offset a lot of their electricity, because what's driving electricity now, it's just your appliances and AC, right? So your air conditioning's one, dishwasher, your dryer. So all these appliances are zapping a lot of electricity. So being able to control your energy, your heating and cooling requirements by using great products, well thought out products, can really reduce how much AC you use during the winter and summer seasons. So,
Oh, absolutely. And just to wrap up on that topic in particular, it also creates a better quality of life and health, right? Like at the end of the day, you can make all this money and you could do all these sorts of things in the world. But if where you are living, your environment doesn't have sustainable products to make you healthier and better, and you're getting sick in your own environment, the health rewards and benefits of looking into those sorts of things are just remarkable. Like you don't even worry about the cost perspective of it because the health benefits just well outweigh the cost of it. Just things we don't even think of as humans these days.
yeah. And now, like, you think about plants and house plants and all that kind of stuff now, like being able to live amongst plants that promote your health also, your breathing, your shading, all that kind of stuff. That's really important, and it uplifts mood and your quality of lifestyle as well. So yeah, so just looking at all these different aspects of living and working from home and sustainability and how that all ties in together to create a better living situation, a better lifestyle for a person living in that space it's really important. And that's, the forefront of what we do. It's having the customer in mind, the client in mind, and their long-term goals, so yeah.
Yeah. And I think we'll wrap it up on that and we'll quickly indulge into our next podcast, which will be adding on to the benefits of rental management and having the right rental manager. And we'll talk a bit more about that in our next episode with a specialized rental manager for a number of years. So stay tuned for the next episode, guys, as well. And we'll touch base on that one from there.